Onions, though small, are at the very heart of California agriculture. With more than 33,000 acres devoted to cultivation, the state produces close to 1 million tons each year, solidifying its position as one of America's largest onion suppliers. The Central Valley's fertile soil, long days of sunshine, and mild climate make it the perfect location for onion farming. Yet the journey of each bulb begins long before harvest, with careful soil preparation and precise planting. Farmers typically start planting between February and March. California's extended growing season offers more flexibility than other regions, allowing staggered planting and steady supply. Before sowing, fields are plowed to 6 or 8 inches deep to loosen soil and remove stones or weeds. Organic matter such as compost is often added, creating fertile conditions. Soil pH is adjusted to remain between 6.0 and 7.0, a range optimal for onion root growth. Drainage is also crucial since onions are highly vulnerable to root rot. To prevent waterlogging, farmers shape raised beds or level fields. Modern drip irrigation systems are usually installed before planting. These deliver half to 1 gallon of water per hour directly to roots, conserving water and avoiding disease. Planting can be done in 2 ways: direct seeding or transplanting. Direct seeding is most common. Farmers sow seeds a 1/4 inch deep, spacing them 2 to 4 inches apart in rows about a foot apart. Precision seeders sow 10 to 15 acres per day, guaranteeing uniform spacing and depth. Uniformity is critical because it ensures consistent bulb size at harvest. Some farmers prefer greenhouse seedlings, which are transplanted into the field once strong enough. Spaced 4 to 6 inches apart and anchored an inch deep, seedlings resist wind damage better. Specialized machines plant thousands per hour, covering up to 10 acres daily. This method accelerates growth and gives farmers more control over early conditions. Within a week to 10 days, seeds germinate. At this fragile stage, moisture must be managed carefully. Automated irrigation maintains a steady dampness without flooding. By the end of planting, fields appear in neat, parallel rows, stretching across the valley. Thousands of future bulbs developing quietly beneath the soil. This marks only the beginning. About 3 to 4 months after planting, onions reach the flowering stage. Tall stalks emerge, topped with spherical clusters of white blossoms. While beautiful, they signal that the plant is shifting energy to seed production. For bulb farmers, flowering indicates that harvest is near. Leaves begin to yellow and wilt, a sign that bulbs have matured beneath the soil. Farmers check depth and firmness, ensuring outer skins are forming well. Harvest methods depend on scale. On specialty farms or for delicate varieties like sweet onions, manual harvesting is common. Workers pull bulbs by hand in the cool morning hours, minimizing wilting. A skilled worker can harvest 1 to 2 acres daily, yielding 10,000 to 20,000 pounds. Manual harvesting is slower but ensures careful handling and reduces bulb damage. On large farms, mechanical harvesters dominate. Equipped with blades or rotating shafts, these machines pull bulbs from the ground, shake off soil with vibrating systems, and move them along conveyors for sorting. A single machine can cover 10-15 acres per day, yielding $200,000, 600,000 pounds. California's large-scale farms rely heavily on these machines to meet enormous demand. By the end of harvest, each acre yields between 20,000 and 40,000 pounds. Across 33,000 acres, California's output is staggering, with millions of pounds ready for the next stage, processing and packaging.
Watch the tractor on the right. Okay, pull the next row now.
Harvest does not mark the end of the onion's journey. To reach markets in perfect condition, onions must be processed, sorted, packaged, and shipped with precision. After curing, onions are collected into bins and delivered to large storage and packing facilities. At the factory gate, the trucks are weighed and unloaded. The onions tumble gently onto long conveyor belts that carry them into the cleaning and grading area. Initial inspections remove soil and debris. Conveyor belts carry bulbs to advanced optical sorters, which use infrared light and cameras to detect size, shape, and even hidden defects. Next, the onions pass through optical sorting machines equipped with cameras and sensors. Each bulb is scanned for size, color, and shape. Damaged bulbs are diverted for animal feed or compost. The rest are graded by size and weight. Smaller onions for retail, larger ones for food service or processing. Manual inspectors complement the machines, ensuring accuracy. Packaging is automated yet carefully monitored. Onions are placed into netted bags, cartons, or boxes. Many onions undergo additional processing for convenience. Frozen onions are popular in households and the food industry. Processing lines peel bulbs with pneumatic systems, then slice or dice them into standard sizes. Specialty onions, especially sweet varieties, require gentler handling and smaller cartons to minimize damage. Storage is another crucial step. Frozen onions are packaged airtight and distributed worldwide. Under these conditions, onions can remain market-ready for several months. Exports play a major role. California supplies not only the U.S., but also growing markets in Asia, Mexico, and Canada. Each shipment must meet strict international standards with certificates and quality reports. The journey from seed to shelf demonstrates the blend of tradition and technology in California agriculture. Farmers manage soil and water with age-old wisdom, while machines and modern logistics ensure efficiency and global reach. Onions are more than a staple crop. They represent resilience, innovation, and connection. From California's fields to kitchens around the world, every bulb carries the story of dedication, science, and hard work.